Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist and welcome to my studio. Today we will talk about adjustments layers. I will show to you how important to use apply our adjustments as separate layers. So guys, let's jump. I have opened my image I took about 2 years ago in Iceland, and today I would like to apply post-production, but I will be using only adjustments layers. So first of all, I would like to change exposure of my image. I will switch to adjustments panel, and here I will click on exposure icon, and I will bring exposure down, and I will change gamma correction just like that. Now I will switch back to my adjustment layer panel, and here I will click on curves adjustment. Using curve adjustment, I will adjust my image using curves. How simple is it? And now I will switch back to my adjustments panel, and here I have color lookup adjustment. I will click on it. I will switch to full color.look, and voila. Now I decided that I applied a lot of too much exposure, my image underexposed right now. To change it, I will click on exposure adjustment layer, and I will bring down opacity of this layer just like that. Same with color lookup, and voila, my image is ready. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you have some time and would like to dig deeper into this topic, please stay with me. So guys, let's start. As I said before, this image I took about 2 years ago in Iceland, and today I will apply post-production with you using only adjustments layers. First of all, I will click on adjustments panel, and here I have exposure icon. I will click on it, and I will be able to bring down exposure and increase gamma correction just like that. Now I will be back to my adjustments panel, and here I have curves icon. I will click on it, and I will adjust my image using curves. Maybe just like that. Yes, I love it. Now I will be back to my adjustments panel, and here I have a color lookup. I always apply full colors.look to my landscape photography. I will click on it, and voila, this is what I wanted to change in my image. But now I think I applied too much adjustments. First of all, if we will talk about our last adjustment we applied, it's a color lookup adjustment. It's too much because now I have a very sunny image, and we can't see any sun in our scene. So what I will do, I will click on my color lookup layer, and I will bring down opacity of this adjustment layer just like that. Now also I think that I have my image is underexposed. So what I will do, I will click on exposure layer on exposure icon, and I will increase exposure just like this. Look at this. Same with curves. I will click on my curves layer, and I will adjust my curves layer just like that. So guys, as you noticed, if we are applying our adjustments as separate layers, we can adjust our layers at any time. I even can delete my layer, any adjustment layer at any time. Also, if I would like to adjust, I mean globally modify my previously applied adjustment, I can do it as well. I can click on my adjustment layer icon like this, and I can adjust everything in properties panel. Also, if you noticed guys, we have all our adjustment layers applied with a layer mask. Example, if I will click on this layer mask white color area, and I will switch to my simple brush tool with black color, I can paint out any area in this layer. So guys, I have full control over my adjustment layers, not only in the moment when I'm creating this adjustment, when I'm applying this adjustment, I can modify my adjustment layer at any time. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. If you like this tutorial, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Super appreciated of all your support. Thank you guys, and I will see you later. And if you have any questions, as usual, just ask. Thank you guys. I will see you later. Bye.